Hey guys, how to add PayPal button to GoDaddy website. So go ahead to your official website, alright? And basically, if you don't have a PayPal account, go ahead and create your PayPal account by creating your pay and get, go to the pay and get paid, accept payments, and then PayPal buttons, and then choose the type of buttons that you want, e.g. buy now, donate, customize the button, and generate the HTML code. Go to the GoDaddy website, right, official website, navigate towards my product to select your website builder or hosting account. Click on manage to open the website editor, and then add the HTML section. Go to the page where you want to add the PayPal button, add the new section or widget that allows you to insert a custom HTML, usually called HTML code or custom code, and then insert the PayPal button code. Paste the HTML code generated from PayPal into the HTML section, save and publish your changes. Your PayPal button should now be visible and functional on your GoDaddy website. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.